Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a Loveworld worship, Lord Eternal, and I'm going to start with the intro. Uh, all right, so let me play it slowly. 6, 5, 4, then all right, so all right, so after that, the main verse, Almighty God, chord 4, most excellent, then back to 1, da, 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 then 5, you reign supreme, 2, to 4, there's a chord 4, then to 1, again, 4, it's chord 1, then 5, we're moving to 2, to 4, this time around we're moving to 6, then Lord eternal, 6, Master and ruler, 4, you reign in the heavens, 5, then for me I'll maintain the 5 here and then I play a flat 7, move to a 3 on your left, a 1 on your right to 4. So this is how it sings. It sounds. Master and reign in the heavens, Lord of faithfulness, and yours forever, in reverence and in then back to 3. Then the intro continues. It's just 6, 5, 4. Then the second verse. Yeah, great I am. So 4. 1, 5. We're moving to 2, 2, and then to 4, and then 1. Then again, Lord eternal, 6, Master ruler, reign in the heavens. Then he played the flat. In reverence and in we sing of your praise. Then we'll do of your increase and government. This a 2. 4. There shall be no end. 1. No end. 5. 4. This time I move to 6. That's it. Master and ruler, reigning in the heavens. Lord, your faithfulness forever. So that's all. Okay. All right. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.